Okay, hi kiddo. I have received a replacement pedal for the ATV, so I'm about to put it on now. Here's the bag and the shipping that it came from here. I got it on Friday. It is now Monday. Okay, here's what you sent. Identical to the one that's on it, it looks like. Alright. Okay, we got a full battery. Put it in forward, high speed. Low speed. Reverse. Forward. Off. Okay. No joy. So it's not the pedal. Here are both pedals. I'll put the other one on there just to illustrate. This one actually has a more distinct click to it than the one that you sent. The other one has sort of a mushy feel to it. But there we go. No connection. So no good. Again, I'm quite sure it is the controller electronics that is faulty.